Hi, my name is David, and I'm going to walk you through how I solved the CSWA practice problem 8.1. Alright, so this problem uses a sweep, and basically for a sweep you need two things. You need the profile that you're going to sweep and the path that it's going to travel along. So in this case, it looks like the path that it's going to travel along is this outer path, this outer curve. Because we have dimensions for the outer curve, we have the radius of this part of the curve is 6, and we have also the width of the curve and the height of the curve. If we tried to use the inner curve, we'd have to maybe do some more calculations to figure out those dimensions. So the outer curve is more convenient. Plus it starts the origin too. Okay, and then the profile is going to be this hexagonal shape. We can draw that pretty much anywhere along the path. And I'm going to use the origin to draw that. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to draw the path in the front plane. And basically go into line mode, draw a line up, little arc, and then a line over to the right. And then we'll start dimensioning stuff. So here, this is going to have a radius of 6. From top to bottom is 75. And and from left to right, it is 25. Okay, so there's the fully defined path that we're going to sweep across. Now, at this point, we can just get out of this sketch. You can actually double-click anywhere in the blank area to get out of a sketch. So we can see what we have so far. And now we're going to draw the profile that we're going to use to go along the path and kind of fill out the body. So the profile we're going to draw in the top plane, like this. And it looks like we have a hexagon for the profile. And actually we can just draw it anywhere, so I'm just going to draw a hexagon. We'll work out the orientation of it and all that stuff. I guess one thing is that if we look at the size, from edge to edge across the hexagon is 4, which also, if we look over here at the construction circle for the hexagon, that's the same thing as the diameter of that construction circle. So from edge to edge is the same thing as the diameter of that circle. So if we want to dimension this with a width of 4, we can dimension the circle to have a diameter of 4. Or you can just go edge to edge. That would also work. Alright, so we got the size right. Let's make sure that it's oriented correctly. So it looks like with the hexagon, if we look at it from this view, there's a flat side over here. So right here, if we look into the page, that's a flat side. So here would be a flat side on the opposite side as well. So let's put one of the flat sides against the origin. Basically, we're going to take the midpoint of this and make it coincident to the origin and make sure that this is vertical. There we go. So that's what our profile is going to look like. And if we exit the sketch and see what we've got so far we've got the path that we're going to travel along and then the profile that we're going to use to map out the body. So what you can do to set yourself up for the sweep is select both of them. So click and then shift click to select the other one. And then you can go to Swept Boss Base, and it kind of does it for you. So it puts things in the right places. It puts the profile in the profile place. It puts the path in the path place. And you can right click to get some of these options over here, but we don't need any of the options. So we're just going to hit enter. And there we have it. Check our volume. We've got 1306. And over here, 1306 cubic millimeters. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Take care and keep studying.